Members, check this out. Ticker symbol ORCL, Oracle Stock, is approaching major support here. You can see $262 is bouncing at a low of 256.28. Let's go back. Looking at July and August of this year, we had $260 a resistance point, and even better, right here, 257, where it just bounced a week ago, resisting and resisting right here. Now it is coming into play. This is something that we need to keep an eye on. Is Oracle going to bounce at this $260 region? Currently, it does look that way. And this is a clear, easy way to have a risk to reward. Check this out. If you bought at 262, you're only risking 2.8% to break this 256 low. Now, look at the upside potential we have. This is something we need to discuss. You have a 11% move risking 2 to 3%. Message me in the comments. Tell me what you think.